Ulat ke jala UCH Vijaya Shankar ulah seneng yaki MDC bat kumju ya ke sorkar jala bagi deban perkhat bat shimkya halor ke jinghyar ke puli puthi haga jala. Habakran haga jinglat yu kejar jong halau kentang hamau plang. Ulat ula ong bagi jala Meghalaya ke dega jaka syong kiblei ke ba itiang bat itenat shisha namar ke Maryang. Hendrei ke ba ulah sengo kya jor ke dega jinghyar ke puli puthi haga ni jala. Haga jingalang balingkot Hakasi Heritage Village. Ulat ula ong yaki MDC bat kinong sensyar ke Meghalaya. Bagi di ban shimkya daga jingkit kli namar ke jala Meghalaya kadang sakdien haka puli puthi. Kawipat ke bawa jingmut kalong ban kentiu ban penrai ke karkhana ke rep karyang ban yarap iki kenhun kum ki self help group. Haka juga por ula wer ki MDC bagi net jengo ya ke jaka jong u syakana taka bagi nyo i ya ke jing seriem ya ke jing it Maryang ki brio haka te ke jaka.
People are here, whereas in case of education, we are lagging behind here. In that way, whatever to be done, to give proper justice to the younger generation, in that way you have to think very seriously, particularly education. They should not be deprived. Any amount of risk you take, we are with you. And President CM, Mr. Sangma, is also a very nice man. I know that family since 26 years. His father, he was a speaker. By that time I was in the parliament. I know this family very well. So accordingly, the matter of whenever the education comes, that too particularly younger generation, future generation, they should not be deprived. They should not be neglected. Their justice, we have to give it to them. In that way, you have to think very seriously, take care of younger generation, giving proper education and educate them properly. Let them come up in that way. That one thing I can say, and second thing, I make it very clear, cottage industry, agro-based industry. Don't bring anything from outside. I was a small-scale industry minister also, Karnataka. So keeping that in the mind, agro-based industry, cottage industry, self-help groups are here. You people conduct workshop for them. We can bring any people from Delhi, any officer, any trained man, whoever you wish. I will say that most of the ministers in the central government, they are good friends of mine. They are my colleagues because twice I was the member of parliament. So I know many of them, even Shobha Karandlaje, small-scale industry minister in the union government. She is from my side. She is almost like my younger sister. I know her since 25 to 30 years. Supposed to bring Shobha, the minister, small-scale industries, in view of developing cottage industries. You tell me at what time you have to bring them here. All the central government officers and ministers, I take the risk and we ask them to come here. We conduct a workshop from here only. We start that workshop from here only. In that way, two things. We have reached to work at home, our sisters, you allow them to work by holding cottage industries. It is an earning source for them. And younger generation, education, that we should not forget. And when I had come here, you have treated me like your brother, senior brother. You have treated me like your own man coming to this village. That hospitality and concern you have shown towards me, I never forget. Whatever the respect you have given, whatever the actually honor you have been made, that I never forget. I wish you all the best.